Hello everyone. Capgemini India, a leading IT services and consulting company, regularly hires college students and freshers. Their hiring drives invite college students and graduates from all these streams, including MCA, BE Tech, ME Tech, and MSc students specializing in IT, information science, computer science, electronics, electrical, telecommunication, and related fields. At Capgemini, students and graduates can explore a variety of career paths, not just in technology roles like software development and testing, but also in areas like consulting, cyber security, cloud analytics, and project management. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about Capgemini's hiring process for freshers, including their on-campus drives, off-campus drives, different hiring programs, and their complete recruitment process. So if you are a college student or recent graduate, then this video is for you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do it now. To start with, I will discuss the hiring programs at Capgemini for students and graduates. For this, I have divided the video into two sections, technical graduates and management graduates. Let's first talk about Capgemini Exceller program for technical graduates. If you are a technical graduate, then Capgemini offer an Exceller program. Through this program, Capgemini hires top students from engineering and graduate colleges. If you join, you will work with different teams on various projects and learn from mentors. Through this program, Capgemini hires for roles like software engineer, analyst, senior analyst, and offers a salary of 4.5 LPA to 7.5 LPA. This is one of the best programs for tech graduates because it offers you a ton of benefits, as you can see on the screen. To be part of the Capgemini hiring process, you need to get in touch with your college placement team. The eligibility criteria for the program is that the candidates who graduated in 2025, 2024, 2023 can apply. It is not limited to just BE or BTech degree. If you have degree in ME, MTech, MSc, MCA, then also you are eligible. Now let's talk about this assessment process, जो कि बहुत ही simple है और regular hiring process से काफी similar है. There are 4 rounds. Round 1 is MCQ based communication test. Round 2 is a game based aptitude test. The third round is a behavioral competency profiling, जिसमें आपके overall motivation, career goals, work ethics, personality traits, cultural fitness को evaluate किया जाएगा. And finally in round 4 there will be a technical and HR interview. Post successful completion of your hiring process, you will be groomed through an intense 8 to 10 weeks of central training program of Capgemini. Now let's talk about the hiring program at Capgemini for management graduates. It offers 2 programs. First, Elite program for management graduate. तो ये एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम है जो इंडिया के टॉप 20 स्कूल से ग्रेजुएट्स हायर करता है फॉर स्ट्रेटेजी और लीडरशिप रोल्स. ये एक जनरल मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम है जो 4 चीजें ऑफर करता है. प्रोजेक्ट रोटेशन, मीनिंग यू विल बी वर्किंग ऑन वेराइटी ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स. क्रॉस फंक्शनल लर्निंग, मीनिंग दैट यू विल वर्क विद मल्टीपल डिपार्टमेंट्स एंड बिजनेस यूनिट्स. मेंटरशिप from business leaders and international exposure as well. So if you have 0 to 3 years of work experience, then you can apply for this program. Now let's talk about the second program, that is Chrysalis Development Program for Management Graduates. ये एक फ्लैगशिप हायरिंग प्रोग्राम है जो इंडिया के टॉप 20 स्कूल से मैनेजमेंट ग्रेजुएट्स को हायर करता है और उन्हें लीडरशिप रोल्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करता है. दिस इज अ 1 year program that comes with a focused mentorship from senior leader and real business exposure. You can see more details about the program on the screen. You can apply for this program via your campus hiring. In some cases, management interns at Capgemini who do really well are also accepted for this program. Apart from that, there are 2 more ways in which you can get a job at Capgemini. That is through their on-campus drive and off-campus drive. So let's talk about their on-campus drive. Capgemini visits engineering and management college students across the country to hire freshers for a variety of roles. They hire graduates from all streams in bulk and have a simple eligibility criteria. Let's take a look at it in detail. So students and freshers with BTech, BE, MTech, BCA, MCA, BSc, MBA or related degrees can apply for the campus drives. You should not have any active backlogs at the time of appearing for the process. You should not have more than 1 year of gap in your education and you should have scored more than 60% throughout your academics. अगर रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस की बात करें तो Capgemini ऑन कैंपस ड्राइव में 2 राउंड्स होते हैं. First, there will be an online test that will cover technical questions, pseudocode, essays, and game-based questions. The purpose of this test is to evaluate your problem-solving skills, general aptitude, and technical knowledge. So if you clear this test, you will move on to the communication test, which focuses on evaluating your verbal and interpersonal skills. And then there will be a coding test where you will be asked to write a code and program to demonstrate your technical skills. And now if you clear all these online tests, then you will be called in for an interview. ऑन कैंपस ड्राइव में यूजली एक इंटरव्यू होता है जिसमें टेक्निकल, बिहेवियरल और सिचुएशनल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, बट देयर मे बी 2 डिफरेंट टेक्निकल एंड एचआर इंटरव्यूज डिपेंडिंग ऑन द रोल. सो इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर अ टेक जॉब पोजीशन सच एज सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर रोल, देन टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू विल फोकस ऑन एरियाज लाइक OOPS, data structure and algorithm, SQL, operating systems and database management. Whereas the HR interview will revolve around your overall qualification, personality, work ethic, past experience and more. Then they aim at checking your suitability for the role and cultural fitness. Now let's talk about Capgemini off-campus hiring drives. There are 2 other ways to apply for jobs at Capgemini, via their career portal and via Internshalla. First, let's take a look at how to apply for Capgemini jobs via their career portal. The step 1 is visit their official career page and click on Join Us. Then search for the job that you want to apply for. Capgemini hires for a huge variety of profiles like design, data and AI, finance, HR, legal operations, product engineering, software engineering, strategy and more. So depending on your degree and interest, you have lots of options and opportunities. Then select the role you want to apply for and click on it to read the job description, and then click on Apply Now. This will redirect you to an application form where you have to enter your personal details and upload your resume and cover letter. इसके अलावा आप इंटर्नशाला के थ्रू भी कैपजेमिनी में जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. आई हैव एडेड द लिंक्स टू अप्लाई इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. इंटर्नशाला से जॉब पर अप्लाई करने के लिए प्रोसेस बहुत सिंपल है. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज रजिस्टर ऑन internshala.com, देन क्रिएट योर रेज्यूमे बाय एडिंग योर पर्सनल डिटेल्स, education qualification, internship and work experience, and skills and certification. Then browse the Capgemini jobs and apply to the ones that suits your interest. इसका फायदा ये होगा कि आप Capgemini के अलावा और भी अदर कंपनीज में जॉब अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Now let's discuss the Capgemini recruitment process. Once you have found the job you want to apply for, the first step is to submit your application. The entire process will take only 5 minutes. You just need to provide your personal information and your latest resume. If you want, you can add a cover letter too to highlight your skills and experience. And then as soon as you submit the application, Capgemini's hiring team will review it to understand your qualification. If they need more information, then they might get in touch with you via email or call. This is a good sign because it means they are interested in your application. Based on the review, they will assess your skills aligned with the role. Then there will be the interview process that includes 5 rounds. Round 1 is an HR screening round which will be conducted as a telephonic or video interview. Here the HR will discuss your qualification, your interest in the role and your career goals. So if you clear this interview, you will proceed to round 2, which is an online assessment round. Depending on your role, you may be required to complete proctored technical and language assessment. Proctored assessment का मतलब है कि आपके टेस्ट की ड्यूरेशन में एक इन्विजिलेटर आपको ऑब्जर्व करेगा so that there is no cheating during the exam. The next round will be a technical or job specific interview. It may be conducted online or face to face. Depending on the role you are applying for, there may be 1 or more technical interviews. So if you successfully pass the technical interview, a formal HR behavioral interview will be conducted to check your cultural fitness for the role. And the final round is the documentation and the compensation discussion. You will need to submit all the documents like your mark sheets, experience letter, ID proofs and more. Once your documents are checked and verified, the recruiter will have a discussion with you about your compensation and benefits. And if everything looks good, you will receive a formal offer letter via email. So now let's take a look at some of the interview tips from Capgemini hiring team to help you stand out. They have given these tips on their website, so I will recommend you to read these tips before the interview. So that was everything you needed to know to get a job at Capgemini. So now all you need to do is to visit the links in the description box and apply for the open job positions. So if you have more questions or doubts, drop them in the comment section and we will answer them for you. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Until then, all the best.